Hello everybody, I'm Jamie and this is JRC Mechanical. All right, we're back and I've got these bushings back from the machinist, and once again he did an amazing job, and as usual he is a good old local boy from around here, works from his farm, right from the shop in his farm. He's got all the cool tools to get this stuff done, and he does it in good time and at a reasonable price. Anyways, so let's continue here. So for this top 3 link, we're going to be using round tubing opposed to the square that I used on the bottom. Now you're wondering why I'm not, it's going to look funny. Square on the bottom, round on the top. Well, the square on the bottom, I wasn't going to be able to fit my bushing through, if you've watched my last videos, I drilled through the square, so I was able to put the bushing directly inside of it, weld around it, and it made for a nice strong spot for the lower axle pivot. So for these, they're all going to be butt welded anyways. So we're going to use 2-inch round tubing, and it's going to allow me to bend the tubing much easier over the drive shaft. So that being said, let's get this together. There we go. This thing is just as handy as all hell. I love it. So we're doing this. We got this square parallel with these, or squared up with these 2 bushings. And we got this one squared up with the edge of this bushing, and it's lining up the edge of this bushing. So, and this is squaring up the bushing itself here. So that should put this thing square. That's where we're going to weld it. Okay. That's all tacked in. We're going to leave it tacked, and we'll have the entire axle out after this is all mocked up, and we'll weld everything in solid, paint everything, and it'll look nice. All right, so we got the tubing notcher back out, and I'm really hoping this thing doesn't make me eat my words, because in the very first video it didn't work, and I said, it only works good on round tubing. Mind you, I only used it with exhaust tubing. So this is 1/8 or 3/16 even, 3/16. So we'll see if it works. Let's check it out. Yes, it worked. Check this out. Look at that. That is a win at Princess Auto. For how much did I spend on that? Like $100 maybe. That is going to be a time saver. Beautiful. Tubing notcher worked pretty dang good. So my bender was working, but not as good as I wanted it to. I wasn't able to get the bends tight enough radius to do what I'm looking to do back there. So I've used these before. There's weld 90s, high pressure weld 90s, and they work really good, but you do have to make sure you chamfer your pipe and put good welds on them, especially for something structural like this. So anyways, yeah. We're going to use these. It's going to make a nice tight radius. And it's going to look really awesome. So, let's get at her. We'll fix that radius up. Bench sander. There we go. Move. Ooh, we're good, we're good, we're good. Okay, give her a tap right there. You gotta hold it. Good. Okay, give her.
I did it.
Perfect. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
That's that.
Nice.
There we go. She's tacked. Okay, that's what we've been working on. So now the inside of this will be filled in with flat metal, and we'll dimple dye it, and it'll look sweet, and it will perform the same function as a triangulated system. Yes, I know it doesn't go this way, but because we will have that inner metal in there, it'll be just as strong as it being triangulated. All right, we're back. And for those of you who are gonna say, they're saying, Jamie, that bushing doesn't articulate with the axle. You're gonna break your upper link. Well, no, I'm not. There's plenty of rubber in this bushing to allow for enough articulation for the average lowrider. Remember, this is a lowrider. The most articulation this thing's going to do is pulling into a gas station off a street or something like that, you know, or maybe the odd, I don't know, I think that'd be about the closest thing. So we're going to jack up one side of this and show you how much it actually articulates.
Jack her up.
Jack her up. And here's another reason I wanted to do this before it was welded up. So this bushing, the bushing boss, only has 2 tacks holding it to this to the bar. So if it was binding that much, it would easily break these two tacks. So we're gonna go all the way up here and see what it does. Watch it break the tack. Okay, so we're way the hell up there. That's as high as the jack goes. So that tire's still on the ground. Actually, let's just get this out and show you guys.
Yeah, it's still on.
Okay, just so you can see, the tire's on the ground. And this one is a solid, I don't know, 8, 9 inches off the ground. So there you have it. If it's not breaking that tack, those 2 tacks right now, it's gonna be good. You know, and that bushing's brand new. It's as stiff as it's gonna get right now. So yeah, there you have it. So for those of you who thought that was a weak point, I think we've proven that wrong. Well, so today, Saturday, we're taking the day off from working on trucks and cars and every other damn thing, so we can go to the demolition derby in town. It's just the 3 of us. My wife is at home sick. Ooh, there was a sweet Hayabusa that just went by. Yeah, so Morgan's at home sick, not with COVID, so she can't come today, so it's me and the boys. So yeah, we're gonna go to the car show, Demolition Derby. So give you a show. We'll give you a show. We'll let you see it. I don't know what to say there.
Yeah.
Say see you in a bit.
See you in a bit.
See you soon.
Bye.
Okay, so quick update. So we get to the Demolition Derby, and of course they're doing barrel racing too, right? So because I'm not in the Derby this year and I haven't been for a few years, I get the itch. So we quickly entered the Ranger into the barrel racing. So yeah, we're friggin' racing today. Woo! All right, it's go time. This is not how I expected this day to start. But this is how it's gonna end, so let's see.
He's got a unique looking lower the hole fast, through the binders fast.
Okay.
You know the drill. That one, figure 8, loop around, come back.
Gotcha.
And listen to Mark, he's gonna call you.
Okay.
You ready? Guys, ready? Go!
And he's underway here, and the bigger rig as he'll take with some good speed that first barrel. Maybe the quickest off the hop we've seen. Nice little drift there through the dirt. And you see those big tires, maybe made for this. Tight corner there. Dragging around that one. You can see him working through the window, and let's make some noise here. He's coming on with some real firm around that bottom barrel and dragging it home. Here we go. And that's
Woo! I broke something. I broke something. That was a lot of fun. I definitely broke something though.
I think we should get the hood in the picture.
Hey?
I think we should get the hood.
Sure, go stand by it. This is the famous Spider-Man Beaumont that runs around town here. Every kid in town loves this car. I gotta say, I'm a sucker for these Type R's. We should probably do a tuner eventually on the channel if we ever run out of projects, which will never happen.
Can you guys take a video of the
4-speed,
If you wanna
pistol
be on
grip.
YouTube, you want to be on YouTube.
That's
She has like the purple back window like that. Like a old
Right, yep. Well, that was a good day, everybody.
Yeah.
Had some unexpected events come about. So
Put this
bad boy in the races.
boy in
We didn't
the
win.
races.
We were originally 2 seconds slower than the fastest car, which is unfortunate because I thought I was going to be faster in two-wheel drive. I guess it's not the case. Every other car out there was little front-wheel drive cars, but they're half the weight of this thing. So anyways, it was a ton of fun. I lost my wallet. We found it in the parking lot, which is out there. Hundreds of cars. There's I'm pretty damn lucky to find it, is all I'm saying. There's a wasp there. Let's get that out of there. Okay, see ya. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Next time on the channel, we're gonna get the 3-link done. We're gonna get the bag mounts in. We're gonna get the bags in. We're gonna get this thing going up and down. So I'm excited for that. We got lots of work. So as usual, if you like the video, leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I put new videos out, and leave a comment. I genuinely like seeing you guys' comments and replying. We'll see you guys soon.